Hey guys, so I'll be comparing the Ulefone Armor Mini 20 Pro versus the Unihertz Jelly Max to see which of the two devices is equipped with the best specs. The Jelly Max is Unihertz's latest 5G mini compact rugged phone. It's equipped with impressive specifications and features and is currently available for about $300. So in this video, we'll compare its specs with the Armor Mini 20 Pro. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there we go guys, the Armor Mini 20 Pro versus the Unihertz Jelly Max. Which of the two devices do you think is equipped with the best specs? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.